You're making mistakes in English right now, and you don't even know it. 5 common mistakes that make you sound less fluent. Today, we fix them. Let's go. By the end of this video, you'll know the 5 mistakes almost every English learner makes. More importantly, you'll know how to stop making them. And at the end, I'll reveal the one mistake that instantly makes you sound like a beginner, even if your English is good. Stay until the end. Hello, and welcome to Talk Easy English Podcast. I'm James, and I'm here to walk with you on your English journey. Today, we're doing something different. We're not just practicing phrases, we're fixing mistakes. Mistakes you might not even realize you're making. These are errors I hear constantly from students at all levels. Before we start, remember, making mistakes is normal. It's part of learning. But once you know these mistakes, you can avoid them. Take a deep breath, and let's begin. Here's the thing about mistakes. Some mistakes are obvious. You know you made them. But the most dangerous mistakes are the ones you don't notice, the ones that become habits, the ones that make native speakers think your English is worse than it actually is. I've taught thousands of students, and I see the same 5 mistakes over and over again. From beginners, from intermediates, even from advanced learners. These mistakes are sneaky. They sound almost right, but they're wrong. And today, we're going to identify them, understand why they're wrong, practice the correct version, and make sure you never make them again. Ready? Let's start with mistake number 1. Mistake number 1. Confusing I and me. This is extremely common. Let me show you. Wrong version. My friend and I went to the store. Wait, that one is correct. But listen to this. Wrong version. He gave the book to my friend and I. Say it with me so you can hear it. He gave the book to my friend and I. Does that sound right? It's wrong. Correct version. He gave the book to my friend and me. Repeat after me. He gave the book to my friend and me. Good. He gave the book to my friend and me. Here's a rule. Use I when you're the subject, the person doing the action. Use me when you're the object, the person receiving the action. Let me show you. I went to the store. I am the subject. I am doing the action. Repeat. I went to the store. Perfect. She called me. Me is the object. I am receiving the action. Repeat after me. She called me. Good. Now here's where people get confused. When you add another person. Wrong. She gave the present to John and I. Most people say this. It sounds polite, but it's wrong. Correct. She gave the present to John and me. Repeat. She gave the present to John and me. Excellent. Here's the trick. Remove the other person. What do you say she gave the present to I? No, you'd say she gave the present to me. So when you add John, it stays me. She gave the present to John and me. Let's practice more examples. Between you and I. Wrong. Say it to hear it. Between you and I. That's wrong. Correct. Between you and me. Repeat after me. Between you and me. Perfect. Between you and me. Come with Sarah and I. Wrong. Say it to hear it. Come with Sarah and I. Correct. Come with Sarah and me. Repeat. Come with Sarah and me. Excellent. This mistake is everywhere. Even native speakers make it. But now you know better. I
when you're doing the action. Me when receiving the action. That's mistake number 1 fixed. And you know what? You're already ahead of most learners. They never learned this rule, but you just did. 4 more mistakes to go. Let's continue. Mistake number 2, using more easy instead of easier. Let me explain. Wrong version. This is more easy than that. Say with me. This is more easy than that. It sounds almost right, but it's wrong. Correct version. This is easier than that. Repeat after me. This is easier than that.
This is easier than that. Good. This is easier than that. Here's the rule. For short adjectives, 1 or 2 syllables, add er. Easy becomes easier. Fast becomes faster. Big becomes bigger. Let's practice. This is fast. Now make it comparative. This is faster. Say it. This is faster. Perfect. She is tall. Now comparative. She is taller. Repeat. She is taller. Excellent. This book is good. Comparative. This book is better. Say it. This book is better. Good. Better is irregular, but you get the idea. Now, for long adjectives, 3 or more syllables, use more. This is more beautiful. This is more interesting. This is more comfortable. Let's practice the wrong way so you recognize it. This is more big. Wrong. Say it. This is more big. Sounds wrong, right? Correct. This is bigger. Repeat after me. This is bigger. Perfect. He is more tall than me. Wrong. Say it. He is more tall than me. Correct. He is taller than me. Repeat. He is taller than me. Good. This lesson is more boring. Wrong. Say it to hear the mistake. This lesson is more boring. Wait, actually, that one might be correct because boring has 2 syllables. And actually, this one is tricky. More boring is acceptable. But the point is, for clearly short adjectives like easy, fast, big, use er, not more. Common mistakes. More easy. Wrong. Easier. Correct. More cheap. Wrong. Cheaper. Correct. More late. Wrong. Later. Correct. 2 mistakes down, 3 to go. You're doing great. These might seem like small errors, but they make a huge difference in how natural you sound. Native speakers notice these mistakes immediately, but after today, you won't make them anymore. Let's continue with mistake number 3. Mistake number 3, confusing make and do. This is hard because there's no perfect rule, but I'll give you guidelines. Generally, make is for creating or producing something. Do is for actions or activities. Let me show you common mistakes. Wrong. I need to make my homework. Say it. I need to make my homework. Wrong. Correct. I need to do my homework. Repeat after me. I need to do my homework. Perfect. Why? Because you're not creating homework from nothing. You're performing the activity of homework. So we use do. More examples with do. Do the dishes. Do the laundry. Do your best. Do exercise. Do a favor. These are all activities or actions. Now make. Make a mistake. Make a decision. Make money. Make a phone call. Make breakfast. These involve creating or producing something. Let's practice. Wrong. I'm going to do breakfast. Say it. I'm going to do breakfast. Correct.
I'm going to make breakfast. Repeat after me. I'm going to make breakfast. Perfect. Why? Because you're not creating breakfast from nothing. You're performing the activity of breakfast. So we use do.
Repeat. I'm going to make breakfast. Good. You're creating breakfast. Wrong. Let me do a photo. Say it to hear it. Let me do a photo. Correct. Let me take a photo. Repeat after me. Let me take a photo. Perfect. Actually, with photos, we use take, not make or do. Common phrases with make. Make a mistake. Say it. Make a mistake. Good. Make a decision. Repeat. Make a decision. Perfect. Make an effort. Your turn. Make an effort. Excellent. Make progress. Say it. Make progress. Good. Make sense. Repeat. Make sense. Great. Make noise. Your turn. Make noise. Perfect. Common phrases with do. Do homework. See it. Do homework. Good. Do housework. Repeat. Do housework. Perfect. Do business. Your turn. Do business. Excellent. Do damage. Say it. Do damage. Good. Do nothing. Repeat. Do nothing. Great. The tricky part? Some phrases just have to be memorized, but the general rule helps. Make equals create or produce. Do equals action or activity. 3 mistakes corrected. You're more than halfway there. These errors are so common that even intermediate and advanced learners make them. But not you. Not anymore. 2 more to go. Let's keep going. Mistake number 4. Using much with countable nouns. Wrong version. How much books do you have? Say it with me. How much books do you have? Sounds wrong, right? Correct. How many books do you have? Repeat after me. How many books do you have? Perfect. Here's the rule. Use many with countable nouns. Use much with uncountable nouns. Let's practice countable nouns with many. How many people are here? Say it. How many people are here? Good. How many days until Friday? Repeat. How many days until Friday? Perfect. How many friends do you have? Your turn. How many friends do you have? Excellent. Now, uncountable nouns with much. How much water do you drink? Say it. How much water do you drink? Good. How much time do we have? Repeat. How much time do we have? Perfect. How much money does it cost? Your turn. How much money does it cost? Excellent. Common mistakes. How much people? Wrong. Say it. How much people? Correct. How many people? Repeat. How many people? Good. I don't have much friends. Wrong. Say it. I don't have much friends. Correct. I don't have many friends. Repeat after me. I don't have many friends. Perfect. Countable, many. Uncountable, much. A lot of works for both. 4 mistakes fixed. 1 more to go. Mistake number 5. Direct translation. Translating word for word
from your native language. Example, I have hunger. Wrong. Correct. I'm hungry. Repeat. I'm hungry. Perfect. I have cold. Wrong. Correct. I'm cold. Repeat. I'm cold. Good. Feelings used I'm, not I have. Another example. I have 20 years old. Wrong. Correct. I'm 20 years old. Repeat. I'm 20 years old. Great. Another. It's having rain. Wrong. Correct. It's raining. Repeat. It's raining. Perfect. Direct translation makes your English sound unnatural, even if it's grammatically correct. The solution: stop translating and start thinking in English. Learn phrases as complete units. What's your name? Not how you call yourself. How are you? Not how you go. I don't care. Not for me, it gives equal. 5 mistakes, 5 fixes. Now, the one mistake that makes you sound like a beginner. Mistake number 5, direct translation. If you translate word by word, native speakers know instantly. Stop translating, start thinking in English. If this helped you, comment which mistake you make most often. Like, share, and subscribe. Next episode, pronunciation challenge with 30 difficult words. I'm James from Talk Easy English Podcast. Talk easy, grow strong. See you next time.